If you want to check voicemail messages on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then what you can do is you can go to the phone app. Over here we can switch to the keypad, and if you press and hold number 1, you should be able to speed dial your voicemail, and after that you should be able to check all messages that someone might have left you. If you cannot reach a voicemail like that, so if you press and hold number 1 and nothing happens, or you just don't reach voicemail at all this way, then you can go to the home page again. We're gonna tap on these 3 lines in the upper left corner and we need to open settings. Next, in the settings we can open voicemail, select our SIM, and we can go to advanced settings, and we should be able to find voicemail number, which of course we can fix in case it is incorrect or empty. And if you don't know what number you need to enter over here, you can try to contact your carrier or service provider in order to ask them about the voicemail number, or you can try to Google that information. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.